Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Hope you are all doing very well. And here is one recipe without onion and garlic for the upcoming Navratras. We are always looking for some recipes like that because many of us avoid eating onion and garlic during this period. So here is the chana masala without onion, without garlic. From the look of it, you will not believe that no onion is used in this curry. It's really very delicious. Let's check it out how to make in my style. This is the way I make it, and I would also like to hear from you how you all make your curries during Navratras. Do share some recipes in the comment section. I would like to hear from you all. And I hope you are liking my recipes, and if you are liking them, share my videos with your friends also. And thank you for always showing support and love. Continue doing so. So let's proceed to make the chana masala without onion, without garlic. Here are the ingredients. I have taken boiled chana, 1 cup. I have boiled it with little salt and a tea bag. And oil, 4 tablespoons. Tomato puree, 2 tablespoons. Ginger, 1 tablespoon. 2 green chilli slit. Amchoor powder or mango powder, half teaspoon. Gram flour, 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Chana masala, 1 tablespoon. And we have some coriander leaves for garnishing. Now let's proceed. Take a pan, add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the besan or gram flour, which is 1 tablespoon. You have to now fry it very well on the medium flame. Saute it until it starts bubbling and you get a lovely aroma. And it has to become golden brown in color. When it becomes brownish, the gravy comes out like caramelized onion gravy. This is a tip, how to make gravy without onion. Reduce the flame to low. Once the color changes, reduce it so that it doesn't get burnt. Now add the chana masala and the grated ginger. Quickly stir it. Now add the salt. Maintain the flame at the lowest. Add the green chilies. Now dip in the boiled chana and the tomato puree. Give it a good stir. Now add about 1 cup of water. Since the chana is already boiled, we will not require too much water. Give it a nice stir and cover the lid. Simmer it on low flame. After about 2 minutes, open the lid. Stir it well. Now we are going to add the amchoor powder at this stage. Mix it with the ladle and check the salt. Add if required. Now we are going to further cook it for 3 more minutes. Reduce the flame to low and simmer it. After about 3 minutes, open the lid. You can see now the gravy has thickened. The chana also are nicely soft and puffed up. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves, and the chana curry without onion garlic is ready for you. Dish it out and enjoy with naans, rotis, kulchas. During the fasting days, you can serve it with buckwheat flour rotis. So friends, do give it a try. Such a delicious curry can be prepared without even onion. Looks so delicious. Enjoy your cooking. See you soon with another recipe. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.